types of sugar and how to use them. There are many ways of sweetening food, but sugar is the most common. However, there are also many types of sugar and each has its own, unique characteristics. If you experiment, you'll soon discover not every type of sugar is appropriate for every dish. For a guide into better use of the sugar you have, and to encourage you to try something new with your next recipe calling for sugar, read on. 1. White sugars. White sugar is the most commonly used sugar, but it comes in many types. 2. Baker's special sugar. Baker's special sugar is far more fine than standard sugar, making it ideal for many baking projects, including cakes and donuts. 3. Castor sugar. Sometimes spelled castor is finer grain still. It dissolves almost immediately, making it a good choice for liquids or drinks. It can also be used interchangeable with Baker's special sugar. 4. Superfine sugar. Also called ultra-fine, is the finest grain sugar. It's used in lightly textured baked goods, meringues and iced drinks. 5. Confectioners sugar. Also called powdered sugar or icing sugar, is powdery and smooth. It has a small amount of cornstarch in it and comes in 3 levels of fineness, but 10x is the finest and the only grade available at grocery stores. 6. Coarse sugar. Also called decorating sugar or pearl sugar, is more crystallized. This type of sugar is best for confections, liquors and fondants. 7. Granulated sugar. Sometimes also called white sugar or table sugar, is the standard sugar of the United States. It's often placed in coffee and tea sugar bowls and is what's called for in most recipes. Sugar cubes are made from granulated sugar that's moistened and pressed into cube-shaped mold. 8. Brown sugars. Dark and light brown sugar still have molasses syrup in them. Dark brown sugar has more molasses, while light brown sugar has less molasses. These types of sugar are commonly used in baking, glazes, and in condiments. 9. Demerara sugar. Demerara sugar is light brown sugar made of sticky, large, golden crystals. It's commonly used for British tea and as a topping for hot cereals. 10. Barbados sugar. Also called Muscovado sugar, is a British brown sugar that's quite dark and strong in molasses flavor. 11. Turbinado sugar. Turbinado sugar is a raw sugar that's partially processed. Only some of the molasses is cleaned away, giving the sugar a mild flavor and a light tan color. Other types of sugar. Black sugar is an unrefined sugar that's nearly black in shade. It is sometimes eaten as candy, or added to desserts or drinks. Beet sugar is sugar made from the beet vegetable, while cane sugar is made from the sugarcane plant. Coconut sugar is a brown sugar made from coconut palm sap. Date sugar is made from dehydrated dates. It's high in fiber and doesn't readily dissolve when added to liquids. Palm sugar is made from the nectar of the sugar palm tree. Raw sugar, also called unrefined sugar, can vary from a yellowish to a brownish shade and is less processed than other types of sugar. This type of sugar has more flavor and better nutritional value. It contains between 85 and 98% sucrose, whereas ordinary granulated sugar has 99%. Raw sugar is only made from sugar canes.